Hey DSMS, it's Kayla.
And Damien.
Here with your April 11th edition of DSMS TV News.
Attention all NJHS members. There will be a very important meeting of the NJHS this coming Wednesday at 2:50 to 3:45 in room C1. We will be planning our final trip to the nursing home.
Also, this is a mandatory meeting for those attending our California trip. We will decide on meal choices and will receive detailed information about the trip. Please be prompt. Please see Ms. Holatino in room A4 as soon as possible. Now to a video with Mr. Hummer and Mr. Rosenberg regarding AZ merit test.
Good morning, Desert Shadows Middle School. Hard to believe, this is our first week of AZ merit testing. On Thursday of this week, we'll have our writing assessment in AZ merit. We're going to share some details this morning about what that means. I would like us all to get off to a serious, focused, and prepared start to our AZ merit testing. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the importance of the AZ merit testing. The AZ merit is one of the few tests that is consistent and will show long-term progress over your educational career, K-12. You'll be taking an AZ merit test of the same form and fashion in your senior year in high school as you're taking as a 7th grader or even as a 3rd grader. I brought with me to the news studio a CUME folder. All of you students have a CUME folder that will move with you from middle school and on to high school. And inside your CUME folder are artifacts related to grades, student discipline, and your state standardized tests. So inside the one I have here has, this is an 8th grade CUME folder, and it belongs to a student here. And inside here is a 2nd grade Stanford test let's see, it's from 2011. And behind that are the Ames testing that this student took as a 3rd grader and 4th grader, and more recently those AZ merit tests. So because the student is going to take the same test for 7 or 8 years, we're going to be able to look at that student's improvement over time. That is, if we have our best effort from our students. This is another encouragement for you to do your very best so that we can compare your results as a 7th grader or an 8th grader and on through your high school experience. Your results will tell a story, and we hope that it will show your best work and best effort. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Rosenberg for some more details about our week or weeks of testing.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Hummer. So, this Thursday, you're going to take your writing section of the AZ merit. Next week, on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will have the ELA portion along with the math portion. On these days, we will be on a modified bell schedule. We will be testing in the morning and then having shortened classes after lunchtime. Teachers, please post the bell schedule in your room and make sure you go over it with the students so they know what to expect. Students, it is important to be ready on test days. Some ways you can make sure you have a good testing experience: make sure you are well rested, make sure you eat a good breakfast the morning of the test, and of course, please make sure you are here at school. Students, on testing days, please make sure you bring earbuds if you have them, since there are portions of the test that will allow you to use them. Please remember to bring a book to read for when you are finished testing. And remember, there are no electronics allowed during testing. This includes smartwatches. All phones must be powered down to help us with our bandwidth during testing. Testing rooms will be posted on the Media Center window Tuesday morning. Please make sure you check to see what room you will be testing in. If you have any questions about where you will test or don't see your name on the list, please come see me. That's it for now. There'll be more testing information in the next few days. Have a great day, Desert Shadows.
Now to the birthdays.
Hey SMS, it's Pablo with the birthdays. Today's birthdays are Stacy Najea, Easton Weiss, and Zachary Wicks. That's all. Now back to the anchors.
We're back. Come out and support the last 2 home games of the entire year, which are today and tomorrow for girls basketball.
The leadership meeting is canceled. That's all for today, DSMS.
Have a terrific Tuesday.
But I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way. Driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle lonely. 15 years